Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Second monthly test, grade 5th computer, Monday 30th June 2020. Unit 4 computer languages, activity page number 3940. Today's our first activity is match the entries in column A with entries in column B. COBOL for business data processing, Visual Basic developed by Microsoft Corporation, HTML is used to develop websites, Basic introductory programming language. Second activity is fill in the blanks. Computer works as per given set of instructions in a sequence. A program is a set of instructions that computer follows to perform a task. Person who write programs for computers are known as programmers. In computer programming languages, grammatic rules are called syntax. Programs or instructions are written in binary digits 0 and 1. In assembly language, a program uses symbols with binary numbers instead of binary digits. High-level languages statements are written in English language. Every high-level language must have its own translator. COBOL is used for business data processing. Visual Basic was developed by Microsoft Corporation. Write T for true and F for false statements. Language is a tool that we use communicate with other people. T. Low-level languages directly deal with computer hardware. T. Machine language is easy to understand and learn. F. Mnemonics are used in assembly language. T. It is easy to locate and correct errors in assembly language. T. Machine language is not machine dependent. T. False. HTML is used for business data processing. False. High-level languages are user-friendly. T. Logo is used in school to teach students how to write simple programs. True. There are many types of language translator. True. Please solve this activity in your books also. Your second monthly test will be held on 10th August. Allah Hafiz. Take care.